Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is AB Loves Beauty here. Right now my hair is wrapped, and I just wear this style when I'm going to bed, especially when I wear my hair straight. And now I'm just going to brush out the wrap with my comb and brush. I'm starting with my comb and just combing out the wrap and evenly distributing the hair all around my head. Now that my hair is fully unwrapped, I'm just going to brush it out now with my brush and just make sure everything is evenly distributed to start styling. I'm going to be using the Eva NYC 10-in-1 split end mender, and I use this as a leave-in. And next I'm going to be using my Moroccan oil on my hair. I really love this oil, especially when I'm wearing my hair in any type of straight style. And next I'm going to be using some duckbill clips just to hold my rollers in place, and I'm using a gray and purple roller to roll my hair. Now I'm just going to section my hair, starting off with my bangs. I'm just going to section my bangs back because I'm going to be working on my bangs last. Now I'm just going to section off the front piece of my hair, and I'm just going to take a gray roller and roll it in an upwards motion. And once that's in, I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the next section of my hair. And I'm just going to repeat this process on the other side of my head while I'm leaving out the bottom ends of my hair. now I'm going to take my blow dryer with my nozzle and I'm going to blow my hair on a medium heat setting and just focus the heat on each curl around my head. Now I'm just going to let my hair cool for about 10 to 20 minutes. Alright, so I'm back. I put a little makeup on and I'm gonna take down the rollers and see what we got here. Now with my bangs, I'm just going to finger comb it and just play with it until I like how it bends. And overall, I really like it and think this came out super cute. And that is the finished look, and I'll be sure to link everything I used, all the products, in the description bar below. And don't forget, if you like these type of videos, give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions, just comment down below in the comment section, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.